How to tell if someone deleted their Instagram. There are a few ways to check whether someone has deactivated, deleted their account, or blocked you. Let's go through each method step by step. First, open the Instagram app and use the search bar to type in their exact username. If their profile appears but says user not found, has no profile picture, and shows no posts yet, this usually means they have deactivated their account. Their username may still be visible at the top, but there will be no other activity on their profile. If you see their profile but their posts, followers, and following counts are visible, yet you still see user not found, this is a strong sign that they have blocked you. A blocked account will still exist, but you won't be able to interact with it. To confirm, try searching for their username using a web browser. Open Safari or Chrome and go to Instagram's website. In the search bar, type in instagram.com/username but replace username with their actual Instagram handle. If their profile loads normally and shows posts, that means they haven't deactivated their account, but they might have blocked you. However, if you get an error saying user not found and the profile appears completely blank, they have likely deactivated or deleted their account. If their account is deactivated, they may reactivate it later by logging back into Instagram. But while their account is deactivated, you won't be able to see their profile, posts, or message them. That's how to tell if someone deleted their Instagram.